What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you the recipe for the Fudgy Brownie Cookies, and the recipe is so easy. They taste delicious, even the smell is so delicious. They are so fudgy, and wow, you will not regret actually doing this. So let's go. But first, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video by clicking the bell near the subscription box, near the subscription button. Let's go and let me show you the recipe. So first we're going to start with the dry ingredients. So we're going to put 1 cup of sugar first. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So it's half teaspoon. So that's half teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to put half teaspoon of sugar. Let me just open this. So we're going to put one teaspoon of salt. So we put here 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. And then we're going to put half cup of cocoa powder. So we're going to take the cup, we're going to put half the cup, and so that's half cup of cocoa powder. And right now we're going to go and put the wet ingredients. Okay, before putting the wet ingredients, I almost forgot. You need to put 1 cup of plain flour. You can use plain flour, all-purpose flour. Just use the flour you feel more like putting. So 1 cup of flour, and we're going to add a little more, like that, like half a cup also. So, and right now we can put the wet ingredients. So right now we're going to use some butter and something to put in so we can melt them. You have to take like a cup of, like half a cup of butter. So I'm going to take a big piece, or more like 2 big pieces. I like to have those brownie cookies fudgy. So we're going to put that much butter. We're going to put a good amount of butter for fudgy brownie cookies. So I'll put it, and right now we're going to melt them. So the butter is melted, and I mixed the dry ingredients together. Look at the color. Right now we're going to add the butter. So we added the melted butter. We're going to right now, let's go. We're going to mix it really well. Let's go. And right now we're going to add, before mixing it very well, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, but I don't have vanilla, so I'm going to use cherry liqueur. We're going to put 2 teaspoons. It's so 2 teaspoons, 1 and 2. Those are 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to put 3 tablespoons, so that's 1 tablespoon, 2 and 3. Thank you. We're going to mix right now. So the last ingredient for today's recipe is 1 large egg. So we're going to put 1 large egg. Oh, there's 2 yolks, it's fine. And now we're going to mix them again, and that's it. So that's the final recipe, and right now we're going to put them in shape in a pan, and then we're going to put them and bake them for like we're not going to bake them a lot, just for 10 and 12 minutes, between 10 and 12 minutes, not more. We are not trying to make them be dry. Okay, so we're going to put them in shape. I will show you when I do that. And yeah, the smell is delicious. Okay, so you need to put them like this in a small shape and just put them in the pan. That's it. Let's do this more and then I'll show you when it's done. So I put them here in shape, and right now I'm overheating the oven, and then I'll put them and bake them for 10 minutes. And there's more. So when they're done, I'm going to show you how they look. Look at those cookies. Look how so good. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell. Okay, that's really important. That means a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I see you in my next video. And also, don't mind me, I just woke up, so whatever. Bye.